Everyone uses update function in Unity, and that's exactly why most Unity games are inefficient, buggy, and laggy. Let me explain. Update runs every single frame. That means 60 times per second or more. Now here's a problem. Most beginners put everything inside update. Input, movement, raycasts, checks, logic, even thing that doesn't need to run every frame. And Unity doesn't stop you. It just lets your game slowly destroy itself. Common mistake. You just told Unity to do that thousands of times per minute. Why this ruins your game? Because it causes bad performance, especially on mobile, logic bugs that are hard to track, code that's impossible to scale, frame dependent behavior. For example, your game feels different on fast and slow devices. And the worst part? Your game works fine at first, until it suddenly doesn't. The right mindset? Update function is not evil, but it's not a trash can either. Use it only when something needs to react. Every frame is tied to frame-based input or movement. For everything else, better alternatives. Use events instead of constant checks. Use coroutines for time logic. Use invoke timer for delayed actions. Use fixed update for physics. Use enable and disable for setup logic. Your game becomes faster, cleaner, easier to debug.